Have you just finished building your brand new gaming computer, but the cables are ugly as hell? We can fix that. But first, 0% of you are subscribed, so subscribe. So now I'm going to up at the back panel, and this is where the majority of your mess is going to be. So here we have this. Is that? Okay, I thought that was. Yeah. This is a SSD. It's hard to say the SSD. And as you see, we have a pile of cables and a pile of dust. The most important thing when you are looking to cable manage is look for the shortest way to your header. Like no matter how long it is back here, you can tidy that up. To find the shortest way to your header. Let's turn to the front and see which cables we need to fix. Glass side panel. There we go. So cables we need to fix. The motherboard 16 pin is here. That's fine. Kind of want to fix that. Just kind of tidy it up. If you don't need this cable hanging out, you can, if you want, you can wrap it behind the screw here. So what I'm going to do is try to get it underneath this like heat sinky looking thing, so I can like not screw it, or it's RGB RAM. So I do not want this cable sticking out. Oh, I got it. That work? No, that's going to rub against the fans. That is not going to work. It's so much dust on the cable. We can't put cable tie here, can we? Make sure you use cable ties. Oh my god, get in. There, that looks fine. It's going to be black anyway, you can't see it. I'm going to see it because there's big ass lights. That's fine, so make sure it's away from your RGB RAM. If you have an RGB RAM, then it's fine because you'll be able to see it. Next cable that I want to fix, because the CPU power is okay. This is okay. That's okay. Our HD audio. We're just going to route it like back here. So I'm going to unplug that very carefully. How'd you unplug these? Do you just yank them off? Okay, I'm going to leave that there. Okay. This one, actually, the RGB for the power supply. I want to route this here. Because that is going to help. Because I want to look at it. So now, just going to bring it up. I want to bend one of these pins. Bring it up. And catch it up there. No. Reach. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to plug it back into the header. I'm so bad at putting in headers, it's not even funny. This stupid thing won't go in now. Okay. Oh, there it is. That was so smooth. Okay, finally got it. Now it's going to tuck that behind. So I'm going to go behind it, pull that back, and bam, it's way nicer. This front panel connector I also want to fix, because this ugly thing, can the camera see it? Yeah, okay. I want to fix the front panel connector. So we're just going to unplug you. Why is it so hard to unplug headers? That one's fine, it's just the front panel. These things are really in. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, I want to reroute this underneath here because it is ugly as hell. So you gotta find the shortest way. There should be most motherboards like gaps here, because most headers on the motherboard are at the bottom. Front panel connector's in. Looks tidy already, doesn't it? No? Yeah? Looks tidy. Now fix this HD audio. And then fix the back. You're gonna want to fix the back computer as much as you want. This back HD audio out if I can. No, I can't. It's stuck. Should it be stuck? It should be just smooth to take out, shouldn't it? We got it finally out. They're super glued on. It's so annoying. Okay. Oh, don't. Okay, I didn't do that. Okay. I'll actually put it through. Now we're just gonna bring this back to here, back near the power supply, because bringing that cable from the bottom is ugly as hell. Really ugly and does not look pretty. So now let's just bring you up. It's in. Okay, it's in. We'll double check that at the end. So now we're done with the front. The front looks nice. You can't really do much about this because it's a beefy ass cable. This is fine. Everything's fine at the front. So now let's close up our front panel. Actually no, we need that at the end. This cable. We need to sort out these cables. First of all, let's take off. I use this thing. It came from like tying together these like metal rubbery things. These things can actually help a lot. If I can get it out and show you. I think I wrapped it on a hook, didn't I? Okay, these things can help a lot because they stay one shape. So all you have to do is just do this around your cable, and it's not going to go anywhere. So these can really help. They normally like a bunch when they come with the computer, like on like cables. So this is a fan header cable. So we want to put you up here with the CPU power, because you're going pretty much the same place. If you have any cables that are going like the exact same place, group them in together, and I'm going to put a cable tie there. Will you use one of these? Oh, use one of the black ones first. Try using the black ones because they look nice. And cable tie you. This is just for them to stay together. Now they're going to stay together. Yeah, we'll get the wire cutter at the end. These are pretty much actually group them together one more time. Looks fine there, doesn't it? It looks fine there. This thing, we should cable tie it there. So you're going to want like pull it back as far up to this thing as possible. Nowhere near this thing. The motherboard, they can see. Otherwise it's going to be against it, and that's not good. So we can move them here. NZXT added these because they're way better for doing this thing. Although it was a pain to put in the Also, it was a pain to take out this thing. The cage, we had to get a drill. We ran out to get a hammer. So NZXT, thank you so much for making us build this computer for extra half an hour because of your amazing hard drive bay drillers. Next is, God, whatever this is. This is the hard drive cable. That's going there. We can try cable tie as much things as you can. It's really helpful if you can able to do it. If you can like cable tie it here. Next thing I want to do is, that's fine, these SATA cables is what needs to be fixed. It's hella annoying. There's only two we're not using. And this is what really annoys about the H510. You need a very expensive motherboard in order to use this thing. And you're not going to be putting an expensive motherboard in this case, because airflow isn't good in this case into this place. Now I'm going to cable tie you and put you away forever. Okay, 24 pin. That's a massive pin because it needs massive power. We have to like shape the cable to go in. Let's get one in. Let's get one in. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's one in. And now that is two in. So now we have our motherboard. That's very neat, the motherboard cables. We can do it up here. So cable tie up here. Use as much of these like hooky things. Where are they? There's like hooks around your case. Your case will have like things that are made for cable management. You're going to want to try to use as much of those as possible so I can fit this stupid thing in. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, got it. I got it. Now, let's wrap this cable into it. Although it'll look way better if I put it behind this, but it's fine. Now we have the SATA SSD cable to fix, which is pretty easy. We can like, you can try cable tie it onto this thing. You can cable tie onto cables, which is really helpful. So that's what I'm gonna do. If you want to upgrade something, you just unplug the cables out of the way, and it's gonna be annoying. But that's fine. I'm gonna cable tie you and attach you to the motherboard 24 pin. Okay, now is these dumb SATAs. Like, why is there so much on them? God, where are these cables? I think we'll just tuck these. We'll just tuck them in there. They're fine. Probably never going to use them again. Put you. So we can like open you up. There we go. Okay. Now that we have that cable-ish done, actually we can unplug this. I would unplug all the cables if I actually knew how to unplug them very easily and put them back in. I would unplug all the cables and put them back in. But I don't know how to do that. These two. Put you two back together. That's so smooth. And I'm just gonna wrap you up there because you look ugly. Yeah, that was so, I got it with my thumb. That was so nice. Oh my god. That was so cool. Bam. Look at it just staying there. That's physics there. Okay. And just fix that because it's underneath that cable. So let's fix that and wrap it around the square. Okay, I can't even see it now. No. Where are you supposed to go? Oh. I got it first try. We need to figure out what we're going to do with this. You could clip it in there. Oh, okay. Yeah? Yeah, okay, that'll work. That's fine, doesn't it? If we're able to hide this in no, that's not in here. That'll be bad in there because I'll be able to see it. Let's just fix up all the cables, the cable ties, to make sure they all stay together. And then let's clip the cable ties. Is this clippy time? I think it's just clipping time. Pro cable management skills with a bunch of strings sticking out, but we'll fix those. Just like, get ready to cut, get ready to cut, get ready to cut. Transition time. Just like that. There it's done. Magic, whoop, have editing. Hopefully it worked. It probably didn't work. They're really bad at it. So yeah, hopefully whenever you're doing that, do not cut a cable. That's why these are white. If these cables are black. Oh, I forgot about one. Hold on. You don't want to cut a cable whenever doing that. That'd be a bad mistake. Cutting a cable. So yeah. Cable management done. You should really build, like, while you're building a computer, do the cable management. It'd be way easier because you won't have all these cables in the way. Let's see if everything's okay from the back. Just from the front, not the back. Or the back. The front looks good. We're just gonna check the HD cable, see if it's in properly. It looks like it's in properly. But yeah, this thing's hella dusty. So we're probably gonna do a PC case building video. Yay! More videos. My amazing GT 1030, must say. Ryzen 5 3600, Corsair Vengeance Pro or GB RAM. And then it's GT 1030. As seen in the PC building video. That was very hard because the drive bay and CPU pins are goddamn terrifying. Subscribe because only 0% of you are actually subscribed.